If you've ever gotten into an argument setting up a tent, this is for you. My name is Kate with WTI, and this pop-up tent is from Rivenlo. It comes in a really convenient carrying bag. As soon as you unstrap it, this thing automatically is going to pop into shape. It's a nice size. It can fit up to 4 people. I would say it fits a couple really comfortably with enough room for an air mattress and your luggage. One of my favorite features is the overhead skylight. So on a clear night, if you take off the cover, you can look straight through the roof up into the sky. Now, if the weather isn't cooperating, there's a removable rainfly. So we have taken this out on several different camping trips. Somehow it rains every single time and it has held up great. You also have 4 mesh windows and 2 doors, so it gives you tons of airflow, lots of cross ventilation. The outer sections can be closed up when it's cooler or rolled back up when you want more air. Putting it away may take you a few attempts. Watching a video online will be very helpful, but it does fold back down nice and flat so you can put it away. So if you want to take all of the stress out of tenting, you're going to love this pop-up tent, and that's my point of view.